The point is that
another vehicle in science fiction movies has become reality. A technology company in Japan has produced a flying motorcycle. The motorcycle, called XTurismo Limited Edition, can reach speeds of up to 100 km per hour on a single charge and can fly for 40 minutes. The Tokyo-based manufacturer aims to produce 200 units of flying motorcycles that can be ridden by a single person by mid-2022. The price of the flying motorcycle was announced as $680,000. XTurismo Limited Editions have 4 engines, 1 conventional and 1 battery-powered. The company's CEO said that they hope to introduce a new method of movement with their new production. For Tokyo, one of the largest megacities in the world, overcrowding is a big problem. Therefore, it is not easy to operate a flying vehicle in such a crowded city, because the current laws in Japan prevent flying motorcycles from flying on busy roads. For this reason, the launch of the flying motorcycle was held at the race track. In Japan, it was recently noted that the car can only be used on such tracks. It is also believed that this vehicle can also be used by emergency and rescue teams to get to inaccessible areas. Here's another fantastic approach. Could flying MotoGP races replace MotoGP races in the future?